Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable Microsoft Windows Defender antivirus in Windows 11. First method is type Windows Security in Windows search bar, click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings. Turn off all protection one by one. Second method is type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click gpedit.msc. Click and expand Administrative Templates, click and expand Windows Components. Click Windows Defender Antivirus, open Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Check Enabled, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.